The question is, the interrupt request line is a part of the data line or data bus, control line or the control bus, C, the address line or address bus, and D, none of the mention. So here is the bus architecture, where we can see that we have processor, we have memory, and we have input devices, and they are connected through address bus, through data bus, and through control bus. And we know the address bus is to address some location, maybe in memory, and we have some data bus to fetch or to write data, and we have control bus. Control bus is made for the synchronization signal, and there are few more signals in the control bus. So here the question was interrupt. The question was about interrupt. Now interrupt can be generated anytime. So if at that time, say we are using address, the processor is using address bus, or maybe the IOs are using address bus, or maybe memory, and maybe the data bus is also busy at that time. So all the entire operation, the data bus or address bus might be busy for some other task, and the interrupt can be generated anytime. So we should have a dedicated bus to acknowledge the interrupt signal. So interrupt signals are a part of a control bus, obviously, and we have few more functionalities in the control bus apart from the interrupt, but interrupt signals are a part of a control bus. So obviously here the answer is B, control bus or control line.